See, this is the bill of material, that is BOM, and when we are opening this BOM, then you would get this one index. In index you can see there's 102 type of recipes. Out of all the recipes of khakra flavor, what you have to do is just click whatever recipe you required. Like if you want to make methi khakra, then you just have to click on this. Here you can get this BOM, that is bill of material, and in this BOM you just have to do right here. Suppose you are writing here as 10, means total 10 kg khakra you would get from the recipe of this J column, this one. This is the recipe. This recipe is for methi khakra, and the name of all the ingredients are written here. This is the name and this is the recipe. Means as per this you can make recipe, and if you add here 1, then you can get 1 kg khakra from this recipe. 1 kg khakra from this recipe.